Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, today we are going to start a new topic, and that is Unit 7, the Sun and the Stars. I hope, dear students, during this lesson you will learn many new things and also you will enjoy learning process. So let's begin our today's topic. So dear students, before we start the reading of our Unit 7, the Sun and the Stars, I want to give you a short introduction about the Sun and the Stars, that what is the Sun? Dear students, the Sun is a star like other millions of stars that you can see during the night in the sky. Why we cannot see the Sun during the night? I will tell you. So dear students, if the Sun is a star, why we cannot see it on the night sky? Have you ever think about it? No, I will tell you why we cannot see other stars in the daytime and why we can see only the Sun in the daytime. Now dear students, before knowing this, we have to learn about our Earth. We are living on the planet Earth, and the Earth is a planet. There are 8 planets in the universe. The Sun is at the center of 8 planets, and all the 8 planets are rotating and revolving, or you can say in simple words, they are moving on their specific path around the Sun. And in these 8 planets, our Earth is the third planet. So imagine that there is a system. In that system, the Sun is at the center, and the 8 planets, spherical shapes, you can say, ball like shape, so they are planets, they are called planets, and these planets are revolving or moving around the Sun. And my dear students, the Sun is not at all moving. When I asked this question to my students, that where does the Sun go in the evening, why you cannot see it, the students said that it goes behind the mountains. So it is not like that, dear students. The Sun is not going anywhere. The Sun is not coming from anywhere. The Sun is on its fixed place. Yes. Our Earth, as I have told you, that there are 8 planets revolving and rotating around the Sun. So our Earth is the third planet, and all this system is called solar system. What is called? The solar system. In this solar system, Sun is at the center and the 8 planets are moving around the Sun. And I will love to tell you the names of all these planets, and these are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets, and the Earth, our planet Earth where we are living, is the third planet of this solar system. Dear students, all the planets are smaller than the Sun. The Sun is the largest object in the solar system, I have told you. So the planets, that are the 8 planets, they all orbit or travel around the Sun or moving around the Sun. Earth is also moving around the Sun. It orbits the Sun because it is also included in all these 8 planets. So dear students, this is all the introduction I have to give you about the Sun. First thing, I have told you that the Sun is a star like the other stars in the solar system, in the entire universe, you can say. The sun is at the center of the solar system. It is a big ball of hot burning gases. All the stars are made up of hot burning gases, and so is the sun also. There are 8 planets that are moving around the sun, and that 8 planets that are moving around the sun on their specific path, and the sun is at the center of this system. This system, whole system, is called solar system. And you know that our sun is the largest object in this solar system, and it is about 109 times bigger than the Earth's diameter, than the Earth's size. Okay, and you have to remember this thing, that the sun is a star, and the solar system that contains of our sun and the 8 planets. Sun is a star. We cannot see it during the night. We can see it during the daytime, because day and changes into night and night changes into day on our planet Earth because of the rotation of the Earth. Days and nights are caused by the rotation of the Earth, but I will not go in the depth of this thing, because you will read these and learn these things in the next lessons or in the topic Earth. So because of the rotation of the Earth, you cannot see or you cannot watch this sun as a star like we can see during the day, because our Earth moves from by facing the sun. During the daytime, our part of the Earth where we are living facing the sun, so that we can see the sun during the day. Then it continues its rotation. Our Earth continues its rotation, and the sun is on its fixed place. It is not at all moving. The Earth, when it moves, and the part of the Earth where we are living faces away from the sun, you cannot see the sun. You are not able to see the sun. Why? Because this is not because the sun is going somewhere. No, sun has not went somewhere. Our Earth moves to face the sun. It is not facing the sun during the night time or during the in the evening. So you are not able to see the sun during the night. And I will show you all this by doing this with some projects or some models or some videos, and I will explain you a lot about it during the next lessons. Okay, now dear students, you have to look at your book, Unit 7, The Sun and the Stars. We will read some lines and sentences, and then I will explain you more about it. Let's read. The sun is in the sky. The sun is in the sky. We can see the sun in the daytime. We can see the sun in the daytime. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. It gives off bright light. The earth gets heat and light from the sun. The sun is very far from the earth. So dear students, in these lines you can see that I have told you in explanation that we can see the sun during the daytime, and it is made up, the sun is a star and it is made up of hot burning gases. Now we have to learn about that the earth has no light of its own. Our planet Earth has no light of its own. Our earth gets heat and light from the sun, because I have told you that the sun is made up of hot burning gases, and when it a ball of fire, you can say the sun is a ball of fire, like a ball of fire. So it gives us, to the earth, the heat and light. The only main source of heat and light to the earth is the sun. Okay dear students, Why we cannot see the light, sun's light during the night? Because our earth moves to face the sun. It faces away from the sun. So we cannot get its heat and light during the night time. The earth continues its rotation for 24 hours, and then in the morning, when it again, the part of the earth where we're living is again facing the sun, then we can get the heat and the light from the sun during the day. So it is daytime, because just because of sun's light. Just because we are getting sun's light during the day, as we are facing the sun, our part of the earth facing the sun during the daytime, so we are getting light from the sun. It is dark and night. Why? Just because of the rotation of the earth. So dear students, that's it for today's lesson. I think it's enough for you to learn for today. And in the next lesson, we will learn more about the sun. So Allah Hafiz for today, and take care.